everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to download the app CapCut for free. First you can subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more videos. However, first you can search on the search bar CapCut up to down. Then after, you could see a search option called CapCut for Windows. Download it from up to down for free. So you can click on it. After that, you can scroll down and you could see a such thing called all versions. You can click on it, scroll down and click on see more. Again scroll down. So here you could see a search option 1.4.0.188. So you can click on it. Again scroll down. Click on download and you can download this CapCut for free. You can find the location that you have done and download this CapCut zip file. So here you can see the zip file. So now I am going to click on it. After that, click on run and you can install this CapCut easily. Once you're done with installing, you can make such videos, audios, photos for free. And also the speciality of this CapCut is you can download such effects, all the effects and all the transitions for free. So here you don't have to pay money to buy such transitions and effects.